Hey boys and girls, I thought maybe you'd like to hear a Froggy story, or maybe you even want to read it yourself. So I know we all love the Froggy and Friends series. This one is called The Red Pajamas. The Froggy and Friends books are by Emma Rose Benman and illustrated by Susan Lawson. So I'm going to let you read it first. If I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause it. And if you want to stick around at the end, then I'll read The Red Pajamas to you. All right, here we go. Here's Froggy, the red pajamas. All right, what'd you think of this Froggy story? Let's see. One thing I want you to notice, take a look at his bed at the end. Let's take a look at it in the beginning. See if you notice what I noticed. Look at his bed there. Beginning of the story. Looks perfectly neat and beautiful. By the end, not so much. All right, so if you want to stick around and read with me, let's go. Froggy wanted to go to bed. "I want my red pajamas," he said. Froggy looked in his closet. He saw bats and balls, but no pajamas. Froggy looked in his basket. He saw pants and shirts and his umbrella, but no pajamas. Froggy looked under his bed. He saw his shoes, but no pajamas. Froggy looked in his trunk. He saw skates and books, but no red pajamas. Froggy looked in the piano. He saw his hats. He saw a fan and a clock and his crayons. Then he saw his red pajamas. And he went to bed. I'm wondering how he slept on top of all that junk. Looks like a real mess. All right, I hope you like this Froggy book. It's one of my favorites. I love that he finds his pajamas right in the piano. What a strange place to find some pajamas. I hope you like the book. All right, I'll see you soon.